Alareza in Georgia says, during your podcast about life insurance, you mentioned do not get life insurance through your employer, but you did not mention why. Is this a universal rule that applies to all employer-offered life insurance policies? I have insurance through my employer and would like to know if there are areas I need to look at before dropping it.
Okay, so employer-provided life insurance that it's a common employer benefit is a term benefit that is an annual renewable, meaning that the premium goes up every year, and often the premiums are higher than what you can buy insurance for yourself in the marketplace. Now, employer-provided life insurance comes generally in two levels. One is where you get it either free or very cheap from your employer up to a certain amount with no health screening at all. And particularly if it's free, you just take it. But the second you leave the employer, that insurance generally is over. And that's why I like for you to have your own insurance anyway. But the other thing is when you buy additional coverage through your employer, you're not buying a level term policy. You're buying, again, what's known as annual renewable term. So every year the premiums rise with your age. And so it will get to a point where your mortality risk goes up a little every year. So the premiums go up. Ultimately, that insurance would become completely unaffordable, and it may not be portable. So having your own life insurance policy that you own that is a level premium for a 20 or 30-year term, which is most often the choice people are making, although it can be shorter, typically no longer than 30 years, is a wiser choice for the long haul, particularly how most of us change jobs regularly. You don't want to be dependent on life insurance that comes through your employer.
With the exception being if you have a condition that makes you uninsurable by traditional life insurance policies, right?
Exactly.
Okay.